After uploading the digital file, you will upload the picture of the digital file on your digital store. By the way, I'm using the Teesprings. You have to give the title and description of the product just like as you give the description of a YouTube video. Make sure that make sure to add the enough details in the product description which makes it clear that what the digital file is and who is it for and what is the format, how many pages are there, and what is the page size. And also you should mention that this is a digital file and no physical product will be shipped, because sometimes the people who are buying may get confused and later on may ask that they did not receive anything in the shipping. So you must mention at the end that it is a digital file and no physical product will be shipped, as well as that it will be available instantly the moment the person decides to purchase your product. And visibility, I would suggest to keep the same as the default. And the last thing that you have to add it in this digital product file is to give the price. Depending upon the number of pages that the file has and how difficult or easy it was to create, I would suggest that you keep the price accordingly. So for this single page A4 size PDF file, I'm going to give the price as $2 and my profit will be $1.20. So I've got the link, the product is done. I'm going to create a short link, upload it in my YouTube video.